Hi, I'm Dixie Biggs. I'm from Gainesville, Florida, and I'm basically a wood turner. So I do a lot of embellishings on my wood turnings. I have a biological background, so things tend to be botanical in nature. So this week what we're doing is I'm having students work on a little sampler disc where they're learning how to create an overlapping leaf look. And we're doing a lot of different things. We're using what's called a micromotor to create the textures and to do the carving on these. And also we're using a wood burner to do some of the texture. So they're utilizing both those tools to create these leaves. I like doing relief carving with a power carving instead of hand tools. I can create similar effects with that, and you get commercially made bits, so I don't have to worry about sharpening a tool, but I can do a lot of different textures and stuff that I can't really do with hand chisels or things like that. And that's a great reason why you might want to take this class. There's lots of great options of classes to take here at Marc Adams, and I will be back here in the future so you can take one of my classes.
I'm Rick Rangelovic from Indianapolis. It was so far so good on this week. I'm learning power carving and just really excited to start to apply this to some of the other work that I have going on. It's like anything else, there's a learning curve with it, and I was very bad yesterday and I'm slightly less bad today. I think one of the main things to learn is just the general overview of just power carving, the different tools, different techniques to go and do that. And like anything else, it's opened a door and you realize just how big of the vastness of your inexperience might be at this point. So that's what I've learned, is that there's a lot to learn. It's always a great week when you're here at Marc Adams.